Cooking with friends is an amazing way to bond and create memories that will last a lifetime. It's a great way to bond with someone. And it's also a lot of fun. When you cook with friends, you can learn new recipes, swap stories, and just have a good time. Plus, you get to eat the food that you cook, which is always a bonus. If you're looking for a way to connect with your friends, cooking together is definitely the way to go. Chocolate cookies are the perfect treat for any occasion. Whether you're looking for a delicious snack to munch on or something special to share with friends and family, chocolate cookies are sure to hit the spot. They're perfect for a quick snack or an easy dessert. And best of all, they're really easy to make. Daffodils are the quintessential harbinger of spring. They are the perfect embodiment of springtime and all that is new and fresh. Their cheerful yellow blooms remind us that brighter days are ahead, no matter how gray the world may seem. More than just an aesthetic pleasure, daffodils are also thought to be spiritually uplifting, inspiring hope and joy in those who see them. For many, daffodils represent the start of a new beginning, a time to put the past behind us and look forward to all that the future has in store.